Hello friends, subscribe my channel IDP examination question provided by my channel. Today I discuss about the what is difference between the has and have. Let's start. The main difference between the has and have depend upon the subject of sentence. Like has is used with singular subject and with pronoun like he, she, and it. Whereas have is used with plural subject and with pronouns like I, you, we, and they. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like it and subscribe it. Note down these words. It's most important for writing skill as well as speaking skill. Thanks for watching my channel.